Celebrating the new Tesla.
Hey, ay caramba.
Your Tesla is locked now. Sentry Mode activated.
Hey y'all, welcome back to She Fast. We got a good one for y'all today. If you're still using one of these tiny USB drives in your Tesla, you might actually be risking your dash cam and your Sentry Mode recordings. Today, I'm gonna be upgrading to this Lexar ES3 portable SSD. And I'm also gonna be telling you why I think every Tesla owner should consider making this switch. Make sure you stay to the end because we're also gonna post a link in the description to our storefront where you can get one of your own. Let's jump in. So you may be asking, why do I need to upgrade if Tesla already included a USB drive with the car? Well, that answer is simple. After reviewing some of my dash cam footage, I started noticing occasional frame drops. It's like the video would skip for a split second, and it wasn't happening all the time, but it was enough to make me wonder if the USB stick was struggling to keep up with constant recording. Tesla is writing video to this drive every second that you're driving, and if you use Sentry Mode, it's writing even more when the car is parked. So while this is not going to magically increase the resolution of your dash cam footage, it can actually give you a more consistent recording performance. So that means smoother recording and less chance of drop frames or missed footage. Now, I can't say for certain that every frame drop was caused by this USB stick. It could also be related to how Tesla records or plays back footage. But upgrading to an SSD removes the USB device as a likely bottleneck. For the upgrade, I decided to go with the Lexar ES3 1TB external SSD. This SSD is much faster than the USB drive that Tesla included with the car, but the real benefit is not the speed. It's that it's designed for continuous recording. That means more reliable dash cam and Sentry Mode storage, plus faster transfers when I copy footage to my computer. All right, so let's take a look at what comes inside the box. Inside of the box, you're gonna get the SSD itself. This is actually super compact. It's really not much, it's not that much bigger than a credit card. In addition to the SSD, you're also going to get a USB-C cable. So on one side you have a USB-A adapter, and then on the other side is USB-C. And lastly, you get this little booklet here. So that's what comes in the box. All right, y'all, so now we're gonna move on to the installation. Now listen, it cannot get any easier than this. So make sure y'all pay attention because if you blink, you're gonna miss it, okay? So let's get this thing installed. We're gonna start obviously by opening up the glove box. Once you get the glove box open, you're gonna see where your Tesla USB comes, right there. But as you can see, we've already taken ours out. So now all we're gonna do is plug in the SSD. Just gonna have to sit in here like this. There we go. And there you have it. So now it's plugged in. Now, if the drive isn't already formatted for your Tesla, that's okay. I'm gonna show you how to do it. You click this little card down here in the left-hand corner, and that's gonna bring up your controls. From controls, you're gonna scroll down until you see safety. And then you're gonna go to the section that says dash cam. Once you find that section, you're gonna click on Format USB Drive. It's gonna ask, are you sure you wanna format this USB drive? That means it's gonna permanently delete anything that's currently on there, and you want to click Format. And success. So now, as you can see, I got a big old drive there, 953.8 gigabytes. All right, y'all, so we are driving down the road and we just want to make sure that everything is in good working order. So for now, I'm just going to tap my little dash cam here so that it will save this dash cam clip. So I have mine set to manually save if I click that little button. So I just clicked it, so it's going to save 10 minutes worth of video. So when we get there, we'll make sure that it's recording. All right, so let's take a look and make sure that our recording saved. So I'm going to click the dash cam again now that I'm parked. And there it is. There we are driving. So Of course, it saves for 10 minutes. So it saved the footage, no dropped recordings, no errors. Everything loaded up pretty quickly. Looks good. Now, will this make your dash cam footage look better? No. But what this is going to give you is more storage and a drive that's better suited for constant recording. So if you've ever worried about missing important footage or filling up your storage too quickly, this is an upgrade that you don't want to skip. So for me, y'all, this is one of those upgrades that you install once and then you never really think about it again. It's inexpensive. It's easy to install, and it gives me the peace of mind knowing that my Dashcam and Sentry Mode footage are being recorded on a device that's designed to handle the workload. So if you're planning on keeping your Tesla for a few years, I think this is a smart upgrade. We're going to post a link in the description to our Amazon storefront where you can pick up this and so many other items. If you found this video to be helpful, give us a thumbs up and make sure you drop us a comment. Click the subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and the notification bell so you can be notified next time we post a video. Thank you guys for watching and for your support. We'll see y'all on the next video. Whew, that was a lot of information. I don't know who keep taking my stuff out the glove box. It just be finding legs, growing legs and walking out the glove box, huh? You may be wondering, is this gonna make my dash cam footage look better? The answer is no, Jack. Sorry. Sorry. No, I'm trying to figure out how to start this. What's up, y'all? No, already. Immediate no. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. I have a very interesting video for y'all today. Why I just scratched my nose. Okay. If you're still using one of these tiny USB, it's not a cord. It's a drive. Yes. We have a good one here for one of your own. Let's jump in. Okay. Pick and choose, baby. Pick and choose. So while this isn't going to magically increase the resolution of your more consistent recording performance. So while this isn't going to automatically or so while this isn't going